Imagine your facial skin is very clear and charming without any wrinkles, and you go to everywhere, and a lot of people often look at you and say how you take care of your face. So I will present to you the Innisfree Serum. Innisfree, unlocking the power of nature. Innisfree Serum is a skincare product that enhances the natural goodness of botanicals and nourish and revitalize your complexion. Crafted with care using premium ingredients, this serum promises visible improvement to your skin health and radiance. Key ingredients and their benefit. The Innisfree Serum has a green tea. Green tea is an antioxidant to help protect the skin from environmental stressors and promote a healthy, youthful glow. Second, Innisfree Serum have Jeju volcanic rock. Jeju volcanic rock rich a mineral from Jeju Island and gently exfoliates and purifies the skin for a refined, smooth texture. And third, Innisfree Serum has hyaluronic acid. Deeply hydrating hyaluronic acid looks in moisture to plump and nourish the skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines. The visible improvement to skin health using the Innisfree Serum. Luminosity. Luminosity, skin appearance more radiant, healthy, and vibrant after consistent use the serum. Second, the hydration. The hydration after you use the serum, deeply nourishing formula leaves skin feeling soft, supple, and intensely hydrated. And third, smoothness. Refine texture and minimize appearance of fine line and wrinkles for a youthful, plump complexion. And next is clarity. Clarity for purifying properties help reduce the look of blemishes and even out skin tone. While the Innisfree Serum stands out, the Innisfree Serum has a natural ingredients. Unlike many synthetic serum, Innisfree use pure high quality botanical extract to nourish the skin. Second, the eco-friendly. The Innisfree Serum is eco-friendly. Innisfree is committed to sustainability with recyclable packaging and ethical source of ingredients. Innisfree Serum proven result. The clinical studies show Innisfree Serum outperform leading competitors in improving skin health and appearance. And Innisfree Serum affordable luxury. Innisfree offers professional grade formula at a fraction of the cost of high-end serums. The reason to invest in Innisfree Serum is a self-care. Self-care indulge in a moment of relaxation and pampering with this luxurious serum. Second, anti-aging. To harness the power of nature to visibly reduce sign of aging for a youthful glow. And the third, Innisfree Serum Natural Radiance. Unleash your skin natural beauty with this gentle botanical rich formula. And last, proven efficiency. The Innisfree Serum proven efficiency experience the difference with clinical tested result and visible improvement. Thank you.